Okay, what's up, guys? Chronos of Tech, and something that has staggered me for a long time was like removing directories that have files, because a lot of times we might have multiple files in a directory, and the system will not let us delete the directory if there's multiple files in it or even one file. So what I found out was you can actually delete directories with files in them. It just works a little bit differently. So I'm going to be showing you guys right now how to delete directories on Linux. Right now I'm on Kali Linux, but any Linux software, and how to delete folders or directories that have files in them. So what I'm going to do here is I should already have a file actually. We go to my documents. Inside documents, I have a file called D3. So if I go to D3, I should have a few files. Yeah, I have a few files in there. Let's make a couple of more. So I'm just gonna make a few more files. Put B11, B12, B34, B69, and B72. All right. Let's ls this. Okay. And one more thing that you can do is you can actually look at the file in more detail. So if I click ls and I bring the option L, then I'm able to see that these are files, not directories. And I'm also able to see the date that they were made, the time that the directories were made. So let's say I'm on the blue team, I'm being hacked, someone's creating directories. I can actually look inside of the files and see when they were created, and then see, okay, did I make this file today? Did I not make it today? It's a way to keep logs. All right, so we have multiple directories in the D3 folder. So if I go back, if I want to remove a directory, so let's look in document. I have a lab test directory with nothing in it. So if I go to remove that directory, and I go to remove directory, and that's how you remove a directory, and I go to lab test 3, right, it just removes that directory. So now if I list the files, there's no more lab test 3. However, if I do that with D3, it's going to come up with an error message because it has the directory is not empty. Okay, so the way that you would remove directories, you actually press remove -ir, right, and then you type in D3. What it's going to do is it's going to remove all the files out of that directory with the directory itself. So you're going to get a bunch of options to send it to directory. Yes, 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 all yeses. Okay. And Y is obviously yes. Okay. And once you're done, if you ls, the directory is gone. All right. So that's how you remove a directory with files inside of Linux.